Twinkle, twinkle again. Twinkle. How I wonder.
How I wonder. Apple. Apple. Apple.
Is that apple? That's tomato.
Yeah, that's tomato. Ano pa?
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
What else?
What else?
Garlic.
The red one. What is that? No, not that one. The other one.
Onion.
Onion.
Very good.
What's that?
Pepper.
Wow, you are right. Bell pepper.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. What else? What's that? To?
What? What is that?
Mommy.
To? May?
Two.
Papatulong pa mami. Call a friend siya eh. Wala na? Letters. How about the letters? Do you know the letters?
Ito.
What is that?
Oranges.
Yes. That's orange. No, that's a carrot.
Carrot.
This one is chili.
Chili pepper.
Chili. This one is the red bell pepper.
Ito.
That one is a yellow bell pepper. This one is a green bell pepper. This one is a cut tomato.
Thank you.
Cut carrot, cut tomato. This one, cucumber.
Ito.
Yes, that's garlic. This one, again, chili.
Ito. Ito. Ito.
Bitter melon.
Bitter melon.
Bitter melon or ampa.
Yeah.
Anong ampaya?
Ampala.
Ampala.
Ito.
Ampalaya.
Ang payaya.
You eat your
Yun.
Pringles.
Paya.
Oops. Nagbo-boing-boing-boing yung puwet mo.
Oh, eat your Pringles now.
Bea.
Go.